In this video, what we're going to talk about is the creative process, AnythingNet's creative process. Bottom right hand side, you'll see our process links as usual. Let's click on creative. So here we go. Here's AnythingNet's creative process. It's a simple 1 to 8 cycle. First of all, client brief. We'll receive your project's brief via our web form or your own brief. You can verbalize face-to-face, send us some links, whatever it is. We put something together so we understand. We have a creative understanding process. So we interpret what your brief says and we start with the creative process. This can take 1 to 3 days. Number 3, rebriefing. Your designer will give you a call and communicate your brief to make sure we are all on the right page. If we can't get in touch, we'll get started and send you the initial concepts. But feel free to call as soon as sending over your brief so we make sure we understand your project. Very important. If you're out of touch or we can't get in touch with you, we do need to get your project moving. So this is an important step to be in communication with us. Step 4, initial concepts. We'll send you 3 concepts or /creatives to your email. This does apply to many different disciplines here. We can apply this to graphic design, which is for print. We can apply this to a graphical user interface, which is for mobile or web, web video, animation, creative writing. The creative process is a generic one that is industry standard worldwide. Okay, so client feedback. This is important. Number 1, what you can do. You have 3 options here. The first one is approve the designs or the creative information we've sent you. So you can send us an email saying approve, love the work. Number 2, modify and send us some feedback. A Word document is fine with a print screen or something with annotations attached, such as don't like, for example, here. Don't outline. I don't like any of them, or highlight what you don't like. So it's basically what this says is do not respond with don't like any of this. This is not going the right way. Give us some feedback. Give us some input. Things like this do not help us, do not help your project move in the right direction. We need some inputs. We need to know if we're on the right track, and if not, we need to change direction straight away. Do provide positive changes with we're on the right track. Feedback with changes and constructive feedback. This is important. We need to know if we're on the right track, then great. If you don't like anything, please let us know. Or you can reject all of the suggested designs and start from scratch. You would need to send us some design work of what you have in mind. Stage 6, refine concepts. Once the first stage, which is the hardest stage, is out of the way, the stage 6 is refined concepts. Now what this is after your initial feedback, we'll send you 1 or 2 refined concepts based on your feedback. Step 3, final round. This is it, the final round. We can start production very shortly using your creative work. As soon as it's signed off, fantastic. Now, there is an asterisk. This means that you can have as many designs rounds as you wish. Each design round varies in duration and would need to be quoted and cleared before future creative development can continue. So what this means is that if you continually change your mind or change the original creative brief, we would need to quote you, you would need to approve and make sure that's up to date in terms of payment, and then we can continue. Otherwise, it does default to the final round, the 3 rounds, which is in most packages at AnythingNet. Once everything is finalized, we'll send you the files. We can start production. You can start printing, doing whatever you'd like to do with your creative work.